Fill. To make something full. She filled the bottle with cold water before leaving. The teacher filled the form quickly. To fill. Top up. Add more to reach the top level. She topped up the gas tank before the trip. He topped up his phone balance online. Top up. Load. To put items into a container or machine. They loaded the truck with vegetables. She loaded the dishwasher after dinner. To load. Stuff. To fill tightly or fully. She stuffed the bag with winter clothes. He stuffed his pockets with snacks. To stuff. Pack. To fill something with items. She packed her suitcase for the holiday. He packed the lunch boxes early. To pack. Cram. To push too much into a space. They crammed their closet with old books. He crammed papers into his backpack. To cram. Pour. To let liquid flow into something. She poured milk into the bowl slowly. He poured juice for everyone. To pour. Inject. To force liquid into something. The cook injected seasoning into the meat. He injected air into the tire. To inject. Inflate. To fill with air or gas. They inflated the balloons for the party. He inflated the tires before driving. To inflate. Saturate. To fill completely with liquid. The sponge was saturated with water. The rain saturated the soil quickly. To saturate. Refill. To fill something again. Can you refill my coffee cup? He refilled the bird feeder. To refill. Charge. To fill with power or energy. She charged her phone overnight. They charged the car battery fully. To charge. Stock. To fill a place with things to sell or use. They stocked the fridge before the guests arrived. The staff stocked the shelves with new products. To stock. Jam. To push things in tightly, often causing blockage. Someone jammed the printer with paper. He jammed his bag with notebooks. To jam. Heap. To pile something high. She heaped food onto her plate. They heaped the wagon with leaves. To heap. Pile. To place things one on top of another to fill. He piled books on the table. Pile the plates in the sink. To pile. Crowd. To fill with too many people. Fans crowded the stadium. People crowded the train. To crowd. Overflow. To fill beyond capacity so it spills. The sink overflowed with water. The crowd overflowed into the street. To overflow. Flood. To fill with a large amount of liquid. Water flooded the basement. Heavy rain flooded the streets. To overflow.